If you're one of those people who are wondering, can you make some cash flow profit on investing in real estate? My friends, you are at the right place. Here at the TJ Tribe, every Wednesday on top of the hour, we always make sure that we bring you an opportunity. So like today, like no any other day, yes, my good friends, I bring you a property opportunity. This particular property that we're going to be talking about, it is in the East Rand. It's in a gated community, not in a complex, but what they have done is that they have taken out a few freestanding houses and they've boomed up a particular street, closed off a couple of streets, and they've just made it a boomed off area. Properties in this area, they generally sell anything between 2 million to around about 3.5 million. And my good friends, not only do I bring you an opportunity, but within this opportunity, there is a main house, a cottage, or we can call it a flatlet, and on top of that, there's a duplex on the same property. So for the price of one property, which is on 1 earth, you are buying 3 properties. Welcome. My name is TJ. If we are meeting for the first time, but if you are coming here for the second, third time, or even you are a resident at the TJ Tribe, and more importantly, hoping that you are subscribed. And the reason why we want you to subscribe here is simply because on Mondays, we have a very short video that we feature here, and that is to educate you on what is happening in the real estate market. And on Wednesdays, like it is today, we bring you an opportunity. And on Saturdays, we dive into the back end of a deal, the good, the bad, the best, the ugly of property investing. And this is all in the quest for us modern parents, especially us who are busy parents, to connect with one another on this platform, and we can learn. So for that reason, my good friends, I encourage you that as and when you're watching stuff here, whatever video it is, whether it's a current today's video or an old video that you are stumbling upon, it is important that you comment thy thoughts. Because with that, me and you, we can become clever, and at large, our community as the tribe, we become clever. And someone said to me, TJ, I'm shy to ask a question. Don't be shy. The only thing you're being shy at here is actually depriving yourself to actually be able to earn what we call alternative income, which is what we stand for on this platform of the TJ Tribe. So if you're new and you're wondering what is this all about, well, we are a community-based people that seek to help one another, but seeking to help one another in the journey of us who are busy parents to create alternative income using real estate. And obviously myself, I get to lead the community, but everybody can contribute. So never think that you can't contribute. So yeah, that's what it's all about. So on Wednesdays, what we normally do here is we've got a mantra, and that mantra is for us to be able to connect the head and the heart to make sure that whenever we see opportunities, we can identify them. And the mantra goes something like this: my heart is open, my mind is open, help me TJ to make some moolah. And we are going to count up to 3. I'm going to count up to 3, and then me and you were going to say that, right? Is that good? That's good. Let's go. 1, 2, 3. My mind is open. My heart is open. Help me, TJ, to make some money. Boom. Okay, good. We are going to go and talk about this property. There is no agreed price as yet. However, the seller has indicated to us that they are keen to receive offers plus minus 2 million rand. It's a beautiful place. I was there, I took some pictures, and it's in a gated area like I did mention. And anybody who's willing to, I want to say an early investor, you're thinking of going biggish, this could be a deal for you. And the reason why I say that is because, number one, it's in a neighborhood that's safe and secure. Number two, it is a property that is existing. You already have tenants that are on the property. So how many tenants are on there? Around about 3 tenants are on the property. And all of these tenants, my good friends, have stayed at the property for more than 10 years. The longest one has been on round about 17 years. Imagine that. 17 years they've been a tenant on this property. So which means that, hey, they love the place. Are they going to move anytime soon? I don't think so. I really don't think so. So here we are. One of our agents in the area, they reached out to us and they said, TJ, we've got a good opportunity here. We think that it will be great for you, right? So let's speak about the main house. We're going to go through some pictures just now. And the main house comprises of 4 bedrooms. There's 2 bathrooms. There's a kitchen and a dining, humongous lounge, like a family proper home, and leading into the garden, into a swimming pool. Imagine that. This is kind of like one of those stylish houses. And it also comes with 3 garages to the main house. So that's the main house. On 1/8, remember we said that there's 3 properties on here. Now the second property, which we can call the flatlet, the cottage, hey, doesn't really matter what you're going to call it. I'm going to call it the second dwelling, right? It consists of a 2-bedroom, 2 bathrooms. Oh my man, that's amazing. It's got an open lounge, and it's got a dining and a kitchen, and they also have like a lock-up garage and a 1 carport. So can you see that this is a nice neighborhood? I think this is a good investment. Then on the same property again, they have what we call a duplex. You know what's a duplex, ne? Like when I came to Johannesburg, there was terminologies around properties that was confusing to me. This is even long before I went into real estate. I'm just talking about simplex, duplex, complex, estates. Like, what is this? But anyway, a duplex is a property that has bedrooms on top, and then at the bottom the living space is. This particular duplex, it's got 2 bedrooms upstairs. It's got a bathing room. It's got an open lounge and kitchen, which is obviously now at the bottom. And they've got what they call a Hollywood garage. This is like it's got a new name to it, isn't it? Like Hollywood garage. I don't know what a Hollywood garage is. That's what they say to me. When I went to view it, I'm like, what's a Hollywood garage? Okay. But anyway, this duplex, it's got a Hollywood garage, my good friends. Right. So we spoke about the main bedroom. We spoke about the flatlet, and we spoke about the duplex that is on there. I think it's a cool deal for somebody, especially if you're coming into the real estate and at an entry level, and you are just wanting to manage a property that's like so easy. Plus minus 2 million, they will accept your offer. So what is the rental on the property? The rental on the property, which hasn't been increased like for donkey years, it's sitting on the main house, it's sitting on 12,500, and the flat let, it's sitting on 6,000. I think the flat let together with the duplex, they are on market related values. The main house, I don't think so. But anyways, for 4 bedrooms on 12 grand, that's a giveaway there. I would push it a little bit more to around about 17, 18. But hey, maybe that's why they've stayed on this property for so long. They're paying a very good rate. So main house, we say 12,500, flat let 6,000, duplex is paying around about 6,700. In conclusion, my good friends, there is a solid income of 25,200. Prepaid meters, all the works is on this property. So you're just basically buying and making some moolah as you go along. depending on how you're going to buy this property, right, it can present many opportunities in terms of cash flow, should I say, profits. Obviously, if you're buying a cash, that's a very different conversation. If you're putting in a bond, I don't know how much bond you qualify for, but I always say to you, remember, we've got a link here. If you're here for the first time and you haven't followed this link, for me to know you and flow some good deals to you, let me know who you are. And the only way you can let us know who you are is to follow this link here. That's at www.thetjtribe.com/my rental deal. On there, you will have access to populate your name, your surname, your cell phone number, and how much you qualify. As an example, if you qualify for 3 million rand, this deal could be a stealer for you, right? If we are to build the same property today, this property, with all the properties, it will be around about just below 4 million rand if we were to build it today, right, in the specific area. Because I do think in the area, building per square meter is around about between 15 to 20,000 in this particular area. So you can see there that it will be quite a lot of money. So it's still a deal anyways, right? Now, what's your next step? TJ, I'm good on this deal. What do I do? Number one, reach out to us. Let us know who you are. We will get through to you. Number two, you already have put in your details. Hey, there's an email that will fire out to you. Just respond to it. Hey, TJ, I'm good with it. And then we'll be able to facilitate the paperwork to you. Like I mentioned, there is no offer to purchase here. You know, some of our deals, they come with an agreed price. But here, they just told us that, look, they will accept anything between plus minus 2 million. We should bring the offer. So which might mean that their offers could be open as well. So my good friends, until we see each other again on the next deals, remember, as I come out to share with you the deals, that's the goal. The goal is for us to all earn any alternative income. But what's more important, for us to get educated. So if you can go through to some of our older videos, particularly the ones that are teaching on a Monday or even on Saturday, spend some time learning there. And from the learning, you can get to be acquainted in terms of what is a good day, what does it look like. And when you see something, you can be able to jump on it. So until we see each other on the next video right here, do not forget, it is in the month of March. We've got a competition, and our competition is to win a book. We've got a book that is called From Bad Debt to Property Mogul. And that particular book, my good friends, it is up for grabs. How can you win it? All you need to do is to comment in the section, in the comment section, and you comment starting with the word March. So you put in the word March, and then you comment anything else. And whether it is asking a question, we will be happy. Whether it is just asking a question, we will be happy too. We'll do two things after you have asked the question. We may respond to you, or we'll actually make a video for that particular topic. Obviously, if it is a complicated one. But if it is all of those, TJ, did you shave your hair? The answer is yes. I'll just say yes. We won't do a video around that, right? Okay, good. My good friends, I'll see you again next week, Wednesday, right here at the TJ Tribe. Until we meet again, happy investing. Boom.